Hello everyone! We're going to unbox another Abubutan bike. This is from Enrique. This is you guess guys. Parang humihina. Ayun mo. Malabo ba? So, we're just going to tear it. For this, I'm going to be a real what? It's so cute. So, I will be a real angel. It's a halo. Ito ba yan siya? Is it like that or like this? Ano ba to? I know it's nangingot. It's like that. I will be a real angel now. We'll see ano background noise outside. So, I have halo now, and of course, for me to become a real angel, I have wings. I will fly now. I'm gonna fly. I'm gonna fly. Pasti kasya sa maliit lang siya eh. It's a small one. So let's try to wear the angel wings. Parang hirap isuot. Where is the other? Now I will fly, huh? Baliktad. Is it right or is it baliktad? I don't know if it's... So I'm gonna fly now, guys. Fly. Did I have magic on? Thank you, Enrique, for this cute costume, angel costume. I'm an angel now. Thank you, Enrique. Angel with wings now. Oh, so cute. Thank you, Enrique.